Budget rental car honest review. Watch before using. Most people think a cheap rental car is always a good deal, but you won't believe what happens next when hidden fees start to appear. Budget is one of the most recognizable car rental companies in the world, operating in airports and cities across dozens of countries. Its brand promise is simple: low-cost rentals for travelers who want to save money. The surprising truth is that Budget can offer very competitive base prices, especially for weekend trips and short-term rentals. In many locations, Budget undercuts premium brands by 10 to 20%, but most people get this wrong. They assume the price they see online is the final price. Budget rentals often add extra charges for additional drivers, fuel options, toll programs, and insurance upgrades. If you do not carefully review your contract, your final bill can be much higher than expected. Another thing to watch is vehicle availability. Budget sometimes offers smaller or older vehicles compared to premium brands. While this usually does not affect basic travel needs, comfort and features can vary. Customer experiences differ by location. Some branches provide smooth service, while others receive complaints about long wait times or billing disputes. Always take photos of the car at pickup and return to protect yourself. Budget is best for travelers who want to minimize rental costs and are willing to read the fine print carefully. The surprising truth is that Budget can save you money, but only if you manage the details. Subscribe for more honest travel service reviews that help you avoid costly surprises.